Around the globe, Mole Day is celebrated by chemists on October 23rd from 6:02 a.m. to 6:02 p.m. This date represents 6.02 into 10 to the power 23, which is the Avogadro's number. But what's the mystery behind this number? It was known that all gases experience the same increase in volume by the application of same degree of heat. Due to this observation, Lorenzo Romano Emilio Carlo Avogadro came up with the idea of mole. A survey was carried out in which the undergraduate chemistry students were asked a simple question regarding how Avogadro's constant was determined. They were given two options, either by counting 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 particles or by using Faraday's constant. Surprisingly, 62.5% answered wrong. They thought it was done by counting the particles. However, it is impossible to count such a large number of particles. It would take approximately 20 quadrillion years to count 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 particles. So, we need an alternative. But first, let us look at what a mole is. A mole is kind of like a dozen, except that there are 12 things in a dozen as compared to 602 hexillion things in a mole. Let us look at how big a mole is. Imagine if we had 602 hexillion jelly beans, it would be as big as the whole planet Earth. But if we look at molecular level, very small amounts contain 602 hexillion particles, may it be atoms, electrons, ions or molecules. As you can see, 12 grams of carbon or 197 grams of gold or 18 grams of water, all are equal to 1 mole. Now you must be wondering how different masses contain the same number of particles. The difference is due to the difference in sizes of the particles. The discoveries that led to the Avogadro's constant. In 1833, Faraday carried out electrolysis in which he determined the Faraday's constant. In 1909, Millikan determined the charge of an electron, and using these two values, Avogadro determined the Avogadro's constant. So, how was the Avogadro's number determined? The Faraday's electrolytic method is shown below. This gave the value 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. This discovery was a major advancement in the world of chemistry. Moles are required everywhere. Thanks to Avogadro that we are celebrating Mole Day today.